Okay guys, we are continuing with solving equations. I'm on page 185, but we are skipping, Cal, we're going to skip the first page because if it asks you to use tiles, we can't, okay? So don't worry about the first page. Okay, let's get to page 186. All right. It says writing two-step equations. You can write two-step equations to represent real-world problems by translating the words of the problems into numbers, variables, and operations. A one-year membership to Metro Gym costs $460. There's a fee of $40 when you join, and the rest is paid monthly. Write an equation to represent the situation that can help members find how much they would pay per month. Okay, so it says, identify what you're trying to find. Let M represent the amount of money that they pay per month. Identify the important information. So the one-time joining fee was $40. And then the fee charged for 1 year would be, there's 12 months in a year. And then the total cost was $460. So we want to figure out what it would be each month. Okay. So the one-time joining fee plus 12 times the cost per month equals $460. Okay, so it says the equation 40 plus 12M equals 460. So in this section, you're going to be writing equations based on the information here. Okay, if it says algebra tiles, don't worry about that. It says, can you rewrite the equation 52M equals 460? No, because if you look here, you cannot combine 40 and 12M. They're not the same terms. You can compare, you can combine M's to M's and numbers to numbers, but you can't combine a 12M and a 40 and make it 52M because they're not like terms. Okay. So let's take a look here. It says, Billy has a gift card with a $150 balance. So that's his start balance. He buys several video games that cost $35 each. So 35 times each video game. After the purchases, he has a gift card balance of $45. So write an equation. He started with $150, but he subtracts $35 for every game he buys. And then in the end, he ended up with $45 left on his credit card. Or his gift card. So that's 150 minus 35x equals 45. So remember, if you were going to solve that, you would have to subtract the 150. And then you get a negative number. You get negative 105. Then you would divide by negative 35. Okay. Writing a verbal description of a two-step equation. So again, this is just really good kind of clues that they're giving you to help you when you're coming up with your own real world problem. That's what you're going to start with on the next page. It says write a corresponding real world problem to represent 5x plus 50 equals 120. So x is the solution of the problem. Remember, you'd be solving for x. That's what you're looking for. 5x means you're multiplying 5 times x, the quantity you're looking for, times 5. And 50 means that for a reason given in the problem, 50 is added to the 5x. 120 means that is the end result when you multiply 5 times the missing number plus 50. So it says, think of different situations in which the quantity x might be multiplied by 5. It says, you have x amount of books weighing 5 pounds, and you want to know their total weight. You save $5 each week for X amount of weeks, and you want to know the total amount you have saved. It says build on the situation and adjust it to create a verbal description. A publisher ships a package of X number of books, each weighing 5 pounds, plus a second package weighing 50 pounds. The total weight is 120 pounds. So how many books are being shipped? Or you could say something like this. Leon receives a birthday gift of $50 from his parents and decides to save it. Each week he adds $5 to his savings account. How many weeks will it take him to save 120 bucks? You're going to do the back page, but if it says use tiles, just solve it. Like for example here, it says use algebra tiles. Just go ahead and try to solve for x here and solve for x here. The first problem you're going to do is a real world problem. You don't have to solve it, but if you want to go ahead, you just have to use words to describe 10x plus 40 equals 100. Okay, have a good day. And then when you finish this page, if you could take a picture of 188 and send it to me, that'd be great.